G'day, my name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia. Welcome to Loch, the home of online gaming, wonderful views and Australian wildlife. I do hope you like these videos, if so please subscribe. G'day all, how you all going? The time is about 10:03 in the morning, and I want to catch some of the birds we've got around flying at the moment. I've got these ones, which are the young crimson rosellas. Ah, I've got a kangaroo coming past here, just over here. Where it stopped us disappear. There it is. You can see his tail. Oh, if it hops past, it hops past. Now, we've got two types of birds in the tree. Actually, three types. You've got the crows as well, and you've got the magpies probably floating around somewhere. And you've got the... what's the name? That's for the birdies, not for you. Giant bird here. It's a flightless one. Still tries to fly, jumps everywhere. Now, let's go back to the birdies. Because these are the crimson rosellas. Eventually they go red, blue and black and green and all that. They lose the green plumages, most of the green. I have to put more water into that fountain too before I get it. Oh, I've got two crows just sitting in the tree up there. Here he comes. He's going to try to steal the bird seed. I know what you're up to. I know what you're up to. You're not going to get any. I want to do a close-up of the birds, but I can't because got the kangaroo here. What are you looking at? Hey? Yeah, talking to you. I knew it. Oi, you shouldn't be pinching their food. It's like oh, there he goes. I think somebody might be walking their dog or something. He's over there at the moment. Oh well, we'll go back to the birds. Let them have a feed. See if another type of bird will fly down. Trying to encourage other birds to fly down too. See if they'll eat. There he goes. Oh wow, there we go. This one's a little bit aggressive. Actually, yeah, very aggressive. This one I think out of all of them are more aggressive. They'll even take on magpies. Well, they'll try to. Beautiful colours though. That was a nice shot for coming in. The other two in the tree there, they've got two crows still sitting in the tree. And the kangaroo's over there just minding its own business. Nope, it's jumping off now. Why did that one panic? Ah, I've got a mozzie floating around too. That's not good. Let it sit there for a while. Oh, I might head off. There we got people coming past, and you know that kangaroos don't like strangers. That one is aggressive. Oh, that's a nice shot. I'll let this record for a little bit. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's thrilling there. That must be a young one. Oh well, I might as well head off. My name's Wilfred West from Loch Sport, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you again for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. You all have a great day now.